Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're in McKinney, Texas, and we're looking at an area that keeps flooding, and then the moisture level has been so high that they've literally had to redo these floors twice in the last 4 months. And you can see what we just did. We excavated, we removed all the floor joists, and then we began pouring some spot piers, as you can see. And those spot piers is going to level everything off. The last time it was done, the framing was just simply sitting on top of the dirt, which is a no-no. And the framing was old, and they reused it, which is another no-no. And they didn't do anything about the moisture level being high. And how do we know it's high? Is we can look at the boards on the inside, and you can see how they change color because they've been wet so many times. And then mold on the other side. So that area has to be treated. So we've already sprayed it with a chemical to keep the mold from growing. And we've lowered the soil where this was an old patio. And that's why there's concrete already here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to level this off just a little bit better. We've already filled in the gaps. There's large gaping holes that went up under the floor for the kitchen area, as you can see. And removed all the flooring going all the way down. We're going to encapsulate that area as needed. So, but over here, what we're going to do is we're going to seal these other opening areas, and then we're going to put down a moisture barrier, and then we're going to build this area up and then put the floor joists and make sure that the floor joists are actually sitting on concrete on those spot piers, to make sure that it doesn't move and it doesn't shift. So this 100-year-old house, none of the work will have to be redone in the next 100 years. And that's doing it right the first time. So now that you've seen it, and our piers are already now hard, let's get busy and start putting our vapor barrier down and start sealing this area up.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.